I just made a bag, I'm up the sun. Pulled up in a foreign dawn, yeah, I'm up the sun. With that work, flip that bag, yeah, we up the sun.
All right, guys, what's going on? So I'm here today with my boss, Ramon.
What's up?
All right, so what happened was, me and him was talking last night, and I was like, yo, you know, I want to kind of teach, because we have guys that are learning. We have, you know, we have apprentices. So they kind of struggle with learning like 24 volts and 115 volts. So I was thinking, you know what, I'm gonna use a contactor with a transformer, and I'm gonna have a switch, basically pull the contactor in and turn the light bulb on. But Ramon came up with a way better idea. He's basically gonna make kind of like a heater out of a light bulb. So you want to explain what you're gonna do?
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this piece of board right here, guys. And what we're really, our intentions is to teach our apprentice, guys that are coming into the field, and even you guys that are watching, how 24 volts work in a furnace operation, okay? And obviously we're not gonna have gas, we're not gonna have fire, we're gonna use, it's gonna be more of just a mock-up, something you'll see at the Franklin Institute or a Science Center. It's going to be really straightforward. We're going to run some electric out here, some low voltage, and basically we're going to use an induced draft motor to light up a light bulb. Pretty much what our furnaces does. In a furnace operation, we turn on the thermostat. Thermostat sends a signal to the furnace. Induced draft motor comes on, lights up a glowworm or a glow plug or a hot surface igniter, better said in the industry. And so we're going to use a pressure, we're going to use a induced draft motor, we're going to use a pressure switch, we're going to use a thermostat, we're going to use a contactor, and we're also going to use a transformer. And then we're going to add a relay for further operation of other things that we can do here. So a relay, this is going to be a dry contact relay, working off of 24 volts. And we're going to, we're going to get to work now. I'm going to lay this out for Lewis to start putting it together, and give us a few minutes and we'll have this rolling, and we'll show you guys once we're done.
All right, guys. You're gonna know why, because all you guys ask me, hey, you know all this, why you don't got your own company? Why would I want my own company when I got a mentor like him? And you're gonna see why.
All right, guys, so I had to come check on White because he called me on the cell phone and told me, hey, he's like, I'm confused. So I have to come and rescue him, guys. All right, so I'm here, right? Anyway.
Okay, so
wait. So it's real easy. You see the line, the neutral. All the neutrals are just going to go from one to the other. All the neutral. I know that. Okay? All right. So then the high voltage is going to go to the contactor. Out of the contactor to the induced draft motor. From that contactor is going to go to the other contactor. And then once that pressure switch closes, then from that contactor to the light.
Can I tell you what you told me? You said,
oh, wait, no, time out. Hold on. He wants to talk crap. We got to pause this. We got to pause this. We got to pause this. We got to pause.
Oh. Going crazy, guys. Going crazy.
So a perfect example, Lou, is you're building a simulator. So you're going to simulate a furnace, in some ways. So we could do it. We could do it that for a bunch of things. We could do it for furnaces. We can simulate air conditioning if you want to one day also with the same board. This is how people learn. This is how when I was younger and I was in high school and I used to go to vocational high school, which is Kensington, and at Kensington High School during electrical class, this is how they taught you how electrical work. You know,
it's probably the best. It's probably the best way though, to be honest with you.
Well, that's sometimes guys aren't. In the real world, it's harder for them to learn one way than the other. You know, I understand electric.
That's what I'm saying. Once you can make somebody understand electric, they'll never have a problem.
Yeah,
they'll run into problems. Like, all right, but then you already know how to you already know what you're doing. You understand the flow. You understand amps. You understand. That's what the guys. That's what
circuitry. You understand how the
once you understand Siri
and all the controls. You know, what happens is a lot of guys get confused because they look at a contactor, a relay, a thermal, like a thermal disc. All that stuff like that is all relays. They're pretty much all called relays. They do all the same function. Some are double throw, some are single throw, but they all do the same function. Some are dry contact, some have juice on them. You know, so it's, you know, and they just have different. Every coil in there has different voltage on them. Like these are 24 volt coils. Okay. And you can have a 120 volt coil, a 277 volt coil. You know, but that applies to higher voltages, bigger machinery like equipment. So, but you just got to know what you're dealing with. It all works the same way. Nothing changes. Just the voltage change, the amperage change. That's about it. So, guys, while White's videotaping while he's wiring in his panel, we're going to take a walk. We're going to give you a little tour of R&R Mechanical. So this is our shop right here. Look, you know, so today is Saturday, and a couple guys volunteered to come in and, you know, help organize a little bit. We pretty much have a mess here. Look, you know, we have old equipment. We have tons of stuff going on here. So a couple guys came in, helped clean up. My phone's ringing, so I gotta answer it. And once I'm done there answering it, I'll come back. I just messed up his camera, so. All right, guys, so back to what I was saying. So we're doing some organization this time. You know, we try to organize our shop because the more organized R&R is, the better product we can deliver. We keep things in stock so that way when our clients call, we have stuff that we can deliver at a reasonable amount of time. You know, you run out, let's say your heater breaks down in the middle of the winter. We try to keep stock so that way we can supply you guys on demand, get you up and going the same day. You know, same thing with the air conditioning. We try to keep as much product in stock so that way we can deliver a better product to you guys. So here we go, right? Got two guys out here. Look, this is another addition to our spot. We keep PVC fittings in stock, you know, so we're just trying to keep organized here. Once again, this kid right here, he's a little helper that comes on the weekend. We put him to work. He's trying to make some money to go to Costa Rica this summer. So we put him to work so he can earn some money so he can go to Costa Rica. I got Armando that came in on his time to help out, you know. So this is our shop. We got Jason back here. What's up, Jason? You know, so that room back there we just built so we can keep more material in here. So once again, we can deliver a good product to our clients. So this is our work area. That's our building. This is our parking lot that we have. It's our trucks. we got a pretty decent shop here. Our shop's pretty huge. We've been here since 2008. We're located in the Frankfurt section of Philadelphia. Frankfurt's coming up, you know, just like Kensington, Fishtown, you know, eventually, you know, with guys like us that are keeping our area clean and productive, we should be able to do a lot in our areas. So here we go. So this is R&R's parking lot. I'll show you the front of the building. Got guys fixing the building across the street, so hopefully that'll be a nice project and it'll add to the neighborhood. So that's R&R shop there. That's the front. As you see, we're shut down today on a Saturday. I'll take you a tour in the inside to the offices where the girls receive, where everything happens. You know, phone calls come through. Our CSRs are on board. CSRs are our customer service representatives. They're pretty much trained to receive any calls and try to book the calls that come in. You know, you don't book the calls, we can't get out to you guys, right? And it all starts there. Starts with, you know, the customer service. So this is where Vicky sits. This is our office space. Looks nice, huh? Well, this was a rundown building that we picked up back in 2008, and we've done a lot of work. Those are acoustic ceilings that I created out of just corrugated metal. We had a flood, so our walls we had to cut some of these walls down, and we had a flood about a year ago. And so that's Rose's office. She's the boss. And then that's my office. Then this past year, we decided to build a kitchenette area for the guys. So here it is. So we got a kitchen training room. So all this is all homemade. We made we made the conference table. We made the countertops to the kitchen. We use corrugated metal as backsplash for our kitchen. Those are used doors that we sanded, and everything's used here. So this is our training facility. We have our little training room. Once again, the same thing, we videotape. We do some trainings here. There's our board, our screen. So, you know, R&R is trying its best to train, you know, inner city kids and become, you know, let them know that there is more than just a job, you know. Heating and air conditioning is a career. So we built them a bathroom with a shower just in case they get back dirty and they wanted to take a shower, running late to a date. There you go. They could use a shower. So as for today, a lot of guys came in and they're volunteering to do things to help make our establishment better. So here we go. So my return favorite of them is some pizza. So we're going to sit down in a few minutes, have some pizza together, talk, chat, and, you know, do what we do. Lou's going to finish up his wiring there, and then once he's done, we'll turn it on so you guys can see how he made out and make sure he didn't burn any of the components, you know. But
at least we don't get callbacks from me for that. At least
we might get a recall on this one.
Hey, it'd be the closest recall you ever had.
Yo, you guys want the pizza here? Alright, so
it's gonna go in, boom. It's gonna come back out.
You're just putting the neutral in there, right? Instead of wire nut in the neutral, right?
Yeah, because
that's fine.
everything's gonna come out. I'm gonna have two lines.
That's fine. So it's just the neutral. Instead of wire nut, you're putting it on the contact, right?
Yeah. All right, here comes the moment. You want to plug it in? You might. I want you rather you get popped.
Here we go. If this shit catch on fire, it's on video, ready? And then I'm gonna say you failed, sucker.
That's the cool thing about being the cameraman. You don't gotta put it in there. Yo, but why you got it? Why you recording? You can't take yours back, so relax. Make sure it works. Right. All right, ready? Light switch on. Bah! Oh! Put it on heat.
Put it on heat.
I put it on aux. It was the heat pump.
What's that?
Boom. It's on delay. Delay.
Let's see. It's on delay. Yeah, it's on delay.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's wait a few minutes before it blows up.
Your fire insurance, right? Herbal?
You want to find out?
Dum dum dum. Can't we change the delay to make it quicker?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, we
You
could.
can go in there and just, you can take the delay off and lower it.
Yeah, cause what is it like? It comes what 90 seconds?
I have no idea.
Usually Honeywell they take.
I normally don't tell me.
You know it takes forever when you're waiting for it for like start. I'd be like, oh my god.
One time, I think it was with you, we had 20 minutes before we even started.
I did mess up though.
That wasn't the thermostat, that was the technician.
I messed up. I see what I messed up.
Well, he sees what he's messed up and
Yep.
he doesn't fix it yet.
Yep. I'm about to see. Look at the diagram right now. So what I messed up on is 24 volts. There's no 24 volts to this coil. So I'm gonna put another wire.
That's what I was trying to tell you earlier, but you wasn't listening.
No.
I'm telling you.
No.
Yeah. So earlier I was like, how is that gonna get activated? That's what I was asking
All
you
right,
earlier.
let's turn the power off.
Got you.
And I'm gonna fix
So
it.
let me see what it is. Wait up. What's this?
It's right. Trust me, it's right. Don't question it.
No.
Don't question.
It's wrong. Because you coming out the thermostat and going to there? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, look. No, it ain't. No, it ain't.
He gonna tell me.
I'm wrong.
Come
Come here. Look. W.
Give me the camera.
W. Right.
I'm gonna record this on.
Go into the contactor first. To the contactor.
No.
Go into the contactor first. Out of the contactor. Yeah, it's going to the pressure strip, but you gotta go to this contactor first.
You got it all jumped out.
Wait, but you gotta put it.
It's not wrong. The way you. I read the diagram.
Yo, listen. Can you? Yo,
Listen.
No. Shut up. Here, fucking shut up. This is how the boss talk when he get mad. All right, now listen real quick.
It's not wrong.
Damn.
Can I fix my problem? Can I fix my problem? And if it don't start up, I'll listen. Because I know what I did.
Go ahead.
All right, good. I'm gonna fix my problem.
We're gonna let him do it.
Es un pendejo.
Un cara sin hueco.
¿Por qué no me quieres hacer caso? Eso tiene que ir aquí primero. Salir del contacto del termostat aquí primero. Para que se prenda el contrario induced draft mode.
So why you got it like that? Look, 24 volts come out, goes to the R. W?
Shut up. Right? That should have been common. Right? But here, W, that's the 24 volts. Go to the contactor come out. Alright? And here, you can either go right to that contactor to the next. to the pressure switch. It don't matter. Never from the pressure switch to the other contact. But you got it wrong. I'm telling you, you got it wrong. Just listen to me. All you have to do here, look. If you want to do it right, just jump from here to here. That's it.
From here, right?
Yeah, from here. From here to here. That's it. That's all you need to do.
That's what I said I did wrong. That's what I just told you. Yo, look at it. Look at me. Y'all gonna go back and probably like 2 minutes in. You're gonna go 2 minutes back and be like, yo, White just said the same thing. I said, let me fix my problem.
White Works is nothing but an argument of HVAC problems. I'm learning he needs to listen.
Okay.
No, but time out. Time out. That's wrong too. Yes, it is. I'm telling you. Because this contact will never give 24 volts unless the induced draft motor is on. Understood? Dude, just listen.
Okay, so look.
No.
Go to the transformer.
Now just listen.
Okay.
All right, that's it. Please, don't argue with me, all right? Don't argue with me. It has to come out. Do you see this? Where's this? What is this? W? Mm-hmm. All right. So this W.
But I followed your
All right,
diagram.
but listen. This W should go here.
It has to go to the first contact.
Okay, it has to
The
go
other
here
side.
first. No. But where's this? What's this? This is common, right? This better be common.
Yeah, it is.
So common.
Yeah, all right, and then it- 24 when it
24. So
activates.
this is gonna go here, right? 24 there. Then this is gonna go here, right? Listen. Just listen.
And then go here.
No, it's gonna go here. Okay?
Okay.
This is where it's gonna go. Okay? It's gonna go right there. Okay? Then when that switch closes, it's gonna go here. Okay? All right?
That's right. That is right.
Okay.
You're right.
See?
I just followed your diagram. You said if I could read your diagram. I'm not going down. I'm not going down.
I know you ain't gonna be right.
Ready? Nice.
So
Here, wait like 15 minutes.
So here we go, guys. Real quick. This is what it's supposed to do. So the thermostat's calling for heat.
Turn the thermostat off so
No, leave it at. You should have just left it like that.
you could show them
Right.
step by step.
So the thermostat's going to call for heat. Basically, the induced draft motor is going to come on. So we're going to send 24 volts from the thermostat to this contact. Contact is going to close. Send the induced draft motor to come on. Induced draft motor is going to come on. This is our pressure switch hose. It's going to shut the pressure switch. Then it's going to. This right here. This light bulb is simulating a hot surface igniter. So this all works in conjunction like a furnace. So thermostat come on, induced draft motor comes on, pulls the switch, induced draft motor, hot surface igniter comes on. So our light bulbs are hot surface igniter. We can continue this because we can go from there, and then the circuit, we can actually put a blower on this, and then it'll turn the blower on. You know? We can make a switch close, and then simulate a gas valve, and then the blower. So this can help you guys learn a little bit. That's exactly how a furnace circuitry works. Residential furnace circuitry.
Power on.
Here we go.
Set the thermostat.
Set the thermostat and the delay. Right? This is
So-
what happens when you got a furnace with a black chimney. Watch it go off. It should go off, watch. Hey, but it's still pulling air from somewhere. It's pulling air from somewhere. But if you got a black chimney, for example,
The pressure switch won't close.
the pressure switch won't close. So you can clear the chimney up, there you go. Okay? Yeah. Same thing. But we only got one switch in here. You can put other switches in here.
Yeah, we
Bigger
could
switches and
bring
stuff
another
like that.
safety off that
Yeah,
the top.
We can run another safety.
gotta keep putting more.
Exactly. We can put more. Yeah. We get them from old furnaces. Like old furnaces, we took them off.
That's what we
put them
learned.
on. Yeah, and then we can do air conditioning there too.
All right, so that's a wrap,
All right,
guys.
let me turn my heat off.
So what is this mechanism that we did? What is it called?
This is just a simulator.
A simulator for what? From
Furnace.
from
operation of a furnace.
so
all it is.
the first stage is the inducer. It goes through the safeties, and then when it's proven, all the safeties are proven, it turns the glow rod on,
Which is the light bulb.
which is the light bulb. And then after
you stuttering that.
I can fix all that. All right. So after the glow rod is proven, it opens the gas valve. It fires it up. How long does it usually run? Like 60 seconds? It's on for 60 seconds before
The heat limit, once it's a couple seconds and then
the blower motor turns on and we have heat.
Yeah.
And you should have a difference, a heat difference between 30 to 60 degrees. Boom. Look at that. Yo, you need to learn that, Papi.
Yeah, I need to see it.
You like it? I did it for you.
Yeah, good, man.
I see your glasses turn dark because of the light.
Como trabaja esto, mira, es como un furnace, mira.
All right, guys, this is a wrap today. I hope you enjoyed the little stimulator we made. Simulator. You know, comment down below, subscribe, hit that like button. Peace.